Let's take a look at the facsimile of the Codex Manesse. Named for the citizen of Zurich who commissioned it, the Codex Manesse is the most extensive medieval collection of German love poetry. The repertoire, intended for musical performance, was compiled and copied in the early 14th century. The songs of both historical and contemporary authors are included. The compositions are grouped according to authorship, with a full-page portrait preceding each poet's songs. The book opens with the work of a 12th century Holy Roman Emperor and proceeds through the ranks of the nobility, from kings to dukes to knights. The songs of poets without noble status come last. The manuscript portraits reflect and reveal the courtly life of most of the authors. Mounted knights are shown in battle and jousting. There are also scenes of courtship. Pastimes, such as hunting and chess, are also pictured. The poets' names inspired many of the pictorial details. For example, the miniature of Dietmar von Ast shows him with a donkey. The humble animal illustrates the poet's name, Dietmar, which can be understood to mean horse of the people. Some miniatures picture themes from the poems. For example, Hildebold von Schwangau is shown dancing with two women. The scene illustrates the refrain of one of his songs. Ella and Elsa dance in such a way that one should be grateful to them both. Heinrich von Weldecke complains that he is sad because he has lost his lady, and he cannot appreciate the flowers and bird song of spring. The book does not include the melodies of the love lyrics. Nevertheless, music making is represented among its images, evoking the acoustic world of lyrical performance. The pen flourishing of the initial letters adds to the charm of the colorful portraits. Among the motifs depicted are the Virgin and Child observed from below, and a dog chasing a rabbit. The Codex Manesse was added to the UNESCO Memory of the World Registry in 2023. The facsimile was published by Insel Verlag in Germany in the 1970s.